everybody, and welcome to another episode of
the RipQuest.
And today we are going to open another one of these poster collections.
All right, so let me get the box open. We already got these three, and we also have another one, so we'll have another episode, but we're going to open the packs and see what's what. All right. What do we got?
Basic Energy,
Cottony, Litwick again, Frillish, Pharaoh Seed, Stoutland. Is that like a doggy?
It's a dog.
Arkin, Subat. Oh, cool Pokeball Hollow. Shelmet. Looks like a little knight. Frillish Hollow.
But still.
And another Cofagrigus.
Water Energy.
Muna. Snivy. Pampor. Girder. Lilligant. Professor's Research. Unfizzant. Drillbur. Oh! Minchino. Is that a full art, right?
Yeah, that's a full art.
Okay, very nice.
Second full art.
And a Thunderous.
Another.
Oh, yeah, this is nice.
I
This is
want to
cool.
have it.
Oh, you can't.
Maybe you can trade, okay?
I'm not trading that. It's like $30.
Bruh.
This is nice. Very nice. Basic Energy. Sawaddle. Gothita. Vanillish. Purloin. Vanillux. Looks like an ice cream cone. Harlequin. Durant. Mandibus. Hollow. Galvantula. And oh,
Hydrogen EX.
Hydreigon. Very cool.
Ooh, that's a nice one. I like it.
Okay, Basic Energy. Solosis.
Time Pole. Sandile.
Maractus. Is that like a cactus?
Yeah, it's a cat.
Bravery.
Braviary. Golurk. Scolipede. Oh, Fennel Hollow. Pokeball.
I can get
Hollow.
that.
That's a nice one.
Rufflet.
Rufflet. And Conkeldurr.
Oh, they have all four of them.
This one's nice. Anyway, thank you guys for watching.
Please like and subscribe. And comment which was your favorite Pokemon in the video. Thank you.